So I watched Houseful 5. Yes, I did that to myself. While I didn't expect a cinematic masterpiece, it's a comedy franchise, I get it. But what I didn't expect was just how repetitive it felt. Not just in the jokes or the storyline, but in the way it treats its audience, and especially its female characters. Let's start there. Over the last three Houseful films, the portrayal of women has been consistently disappointing. Every female lead is written like a cardboard cutout, pretty, passive, and always just there to react to the men. This time around, it's no different. None of the women are given any real story or purpose. They're used more like decorative background than actual characters. One person I really noticed this with was Soundarya Sharma. This is her first mainstream film, and being part of such a big franchise should have meant something for her career. But she's barely given any screen time. And when she is, it's only to look good. No real lines, no impact, just eye candy. And in 2025, this shouldn't be the standard anymore. What also stood out, and not in a good way, were the jokes. The humor feels like it hasn't moved past 2010. There's still objectification, random zoom-ins for no reason, stereotypical characters, and jokes that rely more on mocking than writing. It made me think about how different it was when we used to watch Hera Fairy or the original Golmaal. Those movies had flaws too, sure, but they were still built on timing, writing, and characters you remember. Even years later, people quote them. You laugh again when you rewatch them. Houseful 5, though, it just feels like a loop of forced gags and outdated humor. And that's the core issue here. This isn't just about one film. It's about how mainstream Bollywood comedy hasn't evolved. The audience has changed. We have access to international content. We understand nuance. But films like this seem stuck in the idea that loud equals funny and stereotypes still work. If you're watching this for a break, sure, go for it. But don't go in expecting anything fresh. And maybe leave your brain at the door, just for 2 hours. Because the truth is, Bollywood can do better. We've seen it do better. It's time it stopped playing it so safe and started actually trying.